In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Query Log tool in the DNS Filter dashboard. The Query Log helps you see queries that you have sent to DNS Filter for resolution and provides answers to questions like, where did this query come from? How was it answered? And what time did it occur? Let's get started. The Query Log can be found underneath the Tools menu. On the Query Log page, you have the option to select a site or a roaming client to view a record of DNS requests that have been processed. Let's select a site. By default, you will see the DNS requests sent in the last 30 minutes. But you can easily change this to any of the available time periods. At the top of the page, you also have the option to filter down to blocked requests and allowed requests. Now let's take a look at a single query. Let's take a look at this first query. The first column indicates the time the query took place. This defaults to the local time zone of the user of the account. The next piece of information is the deployment. For this query, we can see that the request was sent from an Apple iMac computer. Next, we have the local username column. This column displays the name the user is currently identified as on their device. The fully qualified domain name or FQDN column shows the domain name that was requested. This is the domain name that generated this query. Next is category. The category column displays one or more categories that DNS Filter has classified the requested domain to belong to. For example, the domain in this query belongs to the content servers category. If we go down, we can see a request or a query that is classified under content servers and also information technology. Next after the category column is the AppAware column. AppAware is DNS Filter's one-click application blocking feature. If a query is detected to have originated from an application that is installed on the user's device, the application will appear here. Do note, the applications that appear under the AppAware column are those currently covered by AppAware. Any application not supported by AppAware will not be displayed here, even when the query logged originated from it. Next, we have the result column. This is a status column that quickly tells you if the request was either blocked or allowed. And finally, we have the resolver column. This column shows which of the two Anycast IPs maintained by DNS Filter was used to resolve this DNS query. As you can see, the first 4 queries are resolved by the 36.36 Anycast IP, while the 5th one was resolved by the 37.37 IP. There are also a couple of interesting features on the Query Log page, like the domain search field, which allows you to type in a specific domain, hit search, and see the queries that have been processed for that domain. On the right hand side, just above the table, there is also a download button. This button gives you the option to download your query log as a CSV file. Clicking this button and selecting the CSV option will pop up a prompt that your download is being processed and will be delivered to the email displayed when it's done. It is important to note that the file downloaded will only contain queries for the site or roaming client selected and the selected time period. If you would like to have your logs streamed to you in real time or for integration with a SIEM or SOA platform, DNS Filter's data export feature is the right tool to achieve that. Data export is also available under the Tools menu, but as a paid add-on. So you need to turn on data export for your subscription in order to activate the feature. For more info on data export, you can check out our data export video on our channel. And for more information on DNS Filter's query log, please visit our knowledge base. You can also check out our channel for videos on specific settings and features. Want to give us a try? Sign up for a free trial on our website. Thanks for watching.